In today's video, I'm going to teach you UV unwrapping and packing in Cinema 4D. We're going to take a model from a tangled default UV to a clean, organized layout that's ready for texturing. The process starts with marking seams, moves into unwrapping in the UV edit layout, and finishes with packing the UV islands efficiently. Begin by marking seams. Think of seams as the places where your 3D model will be cut so it can lie flat in 2D. Select edges where a cut would make sense, like along sharp corners, under hidden areas, or where separate materials might naturally break. The goal is to minimize stretching while keeping islands manageable. Avoid placing seams across highly visible details unless necessary, and try to create loops that help the mesh unfold cleanly. Once you've placed seams, switch over to the UV edit layout. This workspace gives you the tools to unwrap and refine your UVs. If you're using a newer version of Cinema 4D and want a quick start, try Auto Unwrap. It's a fast way to generate a reasonable layout, especially for simple assets or when you need a baseline before refining. That said, for the best control and the most predictable results, manual unwrapping is the way to go. For manual control, select your object in the UV edit layout and apply projection tools that suit the shapes in your model. Cylindrical projection works well for tubes, arms, or bottles because it wraps UVs around a round profile. Cubic projection is great for hard surface objects with boxy forms, giving you even, orthogonal faces that are easy to paint. After projecting, use the unwrap tools to unfold the mesh along your marked seams. The aim is to reduce distortion and keep the texel density as consistent as possible so textures look crisp and uniform across the model. When your islands look clean and readable, it's time to pack them. Go to the UV packing tab to arrange everything inside the UV space. Choose your packing method, such as geometric, to optimize how islands are rotated, scaled, and placed. Apply the settings to automatically organize the layout. Here you can nudge settings like padding to prevent bleeding between islands and allow or restrict rotations based on how your textures need to align. The result should be a neat, space-efficient map with consistent scale. And that's the workflow. Mark smart seams, unwrap and UV edit using the right projections, and pack your islands for a clean, production-ready UV layout. Save your progress and you're ready for text.